Have you ever wondered how we might store energy in the future and how that could impact our climate? It's a question that's been keeping scientists awake at night, especially with the growing concern over climate change. The urgency to find sustainable energy solutions is more pressing than ever. Enter nanotechnology, the tiny titan of tech. It's like the ant of the scientific world, small but mighty, with the potential to revolutionize energy storage and climate technology. Imagine being able to store hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, in nanoscale crystal structures. These are not just any structures, but metal organic frameworks, or MOFs, which attract hydrogen molecules like bees to honey. By using a clever bit of science known as reticular chemistry, these materials can store hydrogen at high density and low pressure, making it easier and more efficient to release with minimal energy consumption. It's like having a super efficient, eco-friendly gas station, but on a nanoscale. This innovative approach could be a game changer, significantly reducing carbon emissions and bringing us closer to our goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2050. So, the future may be closer than we think with the rise of nanotechnology and climate technology. Imagine a world where minuscule particles are the superheroes fighting climate change. Yes, we're talking about nanotechnology. This incredible field has evolved over the years from a mere concept to a game-changing reality. It's like watching a baby grow up, but instead of learning to walk and talk, this baby is revolutionizing our approach to energy and climate technology. The plot thickens with the introduction of a new character, metal organic frameworks, or MOFs. These aren't your everyday heroes. They're more like the quiet ones in the corner who turn out to be the most powerful. MOFs are creating nanoscale crystal structures that act like a magnet for hydrogen molecules. Now, hydrogen is a bit like the popular kid at school. It's got a lot of energy, but it's notoriously hard to pin down. But with our MOFs, we've got a way to attract and store hydrogen efficiently. It's like the ultimate high school romance, but instead of passing notes in class, we're storing energy for a cleaner future. The beauty of this relationship lies in its simplicity. These nanoscale structures can store hydrogen at high density and low pressure, enabling an efficient release with minimal energy consumption. It's like having a cake that you can eat over and over again without ever running out. Just like a magnet attracting metal, these tiny structures attract hydrogen molecules, storing them efficiently for our energy needs. So how exactly is this tiny technology going to transform our climate? Well, let's dive right in. Imagine a world where filling up your car doesn't mean pumping out fossil fuels, but instead loading it with hydrogen. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality that nanotechnology is bringing closer every day. By using a technique known as metal organic frameworks, or MOFs, scientists are creating nanoscale crystal structures that attract hydrogen molecules like a magnet. This means we can store hydrogen at high density and low pressure, which is like packing a whole lot of energy into a very small, very manageable box. But what's the point of packing all this energy if we can't use it efficiently? Well, that's where nanotechnology shines again. These MOFs don't just store hydrogen, they also allow for its efficient release with minimal energy consumption. It's like having a cake and eating it too, only the cake is a fuel source that doesn't harm our planet. By utilizing this technology, we have the potential to significantly reduce carbon emissions. Think of it as an invisible army of nano soldiers fighting climate change one molecule at a time. With nanotechnology, we can harness the power of the very tiny to combat a very big problem. And the potential doesn't stop there. This technology is scalable and adaptable. Today, it might be hydrogen storage. Tomorrow, it could be capturing carbon directly from the air or even transforming sunlight into energy more efficiently. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Nanotechnology isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative force in our fight against climate change. So, the next time you hear about nanotechnology, remember it's not just about making things smaller, it's about making a big difference. So, are you ready for the nano-climate revolution? We've seen how nanotechnology is transforming climate tech, with metal organic frameworks leading the charge. These nanoscale crystal structures are like a magnet for hydrogen molecules, offering a new way to store and transport energy efficiently. It's a game changer for hydrogen power, and it's paving the way for us to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. As we step into the future, it's clear that nanotechnology will play a pivotal role in shaping our climate and energy solutions.